Oh, bonjour. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. How are you? Okay, so real quick update because I have to dash out. It is 5:30 in the morning in the UK. And here's quickly what I'm seeing. Yesterday we had a lot of this nonsense here, up here. Yeah, we had a little short from here, which is great. We never really got anywhere long enough to take this long. If you took the FSP, fantastic. Well done. I didn't take it. Um, but I am short from in here. This is a decent top here, and we did come into the red box. Yeah, we're a little bit further up. 64 has been the magnet for the last couple of days. So the question is, where does this go? What does it do? So if we just quickly span out, we've really got a couple of options here. So if we are going to say that our impulse up here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're set, then we're looking for something which does this, probably does that, and then comes down to here, which is the 618786. Okay. So I'll be looking for 60,000 at some point in the next couple of days. It's ideally, unfortunately, because we have no news. Oh, we do have FOMC minutes this evening at 7 o'clock here. I'm just not sure how impactful that will be, but we'll see, I guess. It's difficult to time when we think this might move, when we think this might adjust itself. So that's option number one. Option number two is that we finish this first wave here. Then this is the connector of some description, and that was 5 up, and we're looking for this to finish in the green box, and away we go. And that's that, really. This idea is invalidated below this low, and the larger idea obviously unfortunately invalidates below this low. So if you take longs today off the ideas of these two, your stop losses have to be either here or here, which it's always quite a lot. It means you've got to go half size, really, I think, on this. So yeah, so look, at the moment I don't have any particular need to close my shorts from in here. Just having a quick, if we just measure this simply as a 1-to-1 ratio, then that will get us down to around the 62,127 mark, which is in the green box. So I'll be looking at that green box area here, 62, for a reaction. Now, it's quite possible we have. Let me just tidy this up a bit. Sorry, I'm doing this really quickly, guys, because I need to get out the door. So what you could have is we've got a 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 there, sorry. And then we've got a little 3, and then we'll have a 4 and a 5 and a 4 and a 5. And then you get your bigger 2, and that's all 1. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like that. So again, this is a bit choppy. It's a bit, it's a bit painful. So if you're not in here, or if didn't get in here, this will just take your money. So don't bother. All right, just wait. Just wait. Okay. What I will do whilst I'm on, I'll just quickly have a look and see if we do have a let's have a quick look at the volume from yesterday. Where are we? Yesterday. Where's there? And it's there. Ah, great. So we're at the value area low of yesterday's price action. So don't be surprised if we move up towards VWAP. This is the weekly, the normal VWAP, and then maybe we move down again as we get a reaction from there. And we're just going to quickly run that again as well from there to there. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, so I think actually if we drop this low here, I think if we drop this low here now, I think it's more likely that we drop into that 60,000 zone here. All right. And there's nothing particularly in the market space at the moment holding us up, doing anything interesting. So it's a bit of a dead week. Let's have a look at USD. I've been watching USD. USDT yesterday was great. Hit that 618, dropped. We got the pump. I just didn't react on it, which is annoying. Let's have a look at just. Just be aware that USDT, the DOM chart here, we might get a reaction off here. Small though it might be. But anyway, we'll keep an eye. All right, guys, that's your lot. 6 minutes. I hope that was helpful. If you want to try, if you're not in this short and you want to try and get into this short, it's tough to get in somewhere sensible now. I guess maybe on a retest of daily open, the local POC. If we do something like that. No, I won't want that because that comes back into the wave one. So this is wave one, and then that's my first two, then another one, another two. Yeah, you might get, I don't know, maybe it comes up here. Anyway, I wouldn't want to see price come above the 63,600 mark. So yeah, tough to get into a short. Unless I guess if you got in now because we've just broken the VWAP, you could do. But you're scalping now because this can quite easily do this and then come back. I don't think it comes above 63,300. This looks like it's resistance now, but we haven't tested it yet, so it hasn't really been tested. So don't be surprised if we get some sharp test up to here and then down again, because this is just going to be choppy. Alrighty, okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Right, that's me done. All right, lots of love. Tally buys.